Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do your correlation analysis or how to do correlation. So once you are here and you have already transformed your data, the next thing that you have to do is for you to do correlation. So first you have to actually go to analyze, and then you have to go to correlate, and you have to choose bivariate. So I'm going to say it again. You go to analyze, you go to correlate, and you go to bivariate, and you click OK. So since you have already transformed your data, so you need to arrange your DV first, followed by all your IVs. Alright, so you just bring your IVs here after your DV, and by default, your correlation coefficients is going to be based on Pearson, since you are doing, are having Likert scale. And also, when you talk about test of significance, it's very important for you to understand if you have the word positive in your hypothesis, you have to choose one tilt test. So let's say if your hypothesis is going to have the word positive, like for example, there is a positive relationship between IV1 and DV, so you have to change to a one tilt test because you are going to have only one direction or one tilt. But since you are from your previous researches or perhaps from your literature review, you got to know that there are mixed results of your previous researches, then you can actually click a two tilt test. So if you have the word positive, you change to one tilt test. If you don't have the word positive, you just change to two tilt tests. And then you just click OK. So this is going to be your correlations result of your correlation that you have already analyzed. So basically, you will be given this table of your DV and IVs. And if you look at the table carefully, it is actually symmetrical. So this is the cutting point. If you cut this paper into two, this is the middle that you have to cut, yeah, the middle line. So whatever is written here is also written here. So it's actually symmetrical. So if you look at this figure, it's going to be the same as this figure. So the 0.374, this is also going to be 0.374. And the reason why that is so is because it is symmetrical. So you can read it horizontally from your left to your right, and also you can read from top to the bottom or vertically. So when you talk about DV, this is your DV and your IV1, because you want to know is there any relationship between your IV1 and DV. So practically, if you look at this table, this is your Pearson correlation figure, that is 0.639, and this is actually the significant value of 0.000. So this is not zero, and I would expect you to change 0.000 to 0.001, and then and here is actually your sample size, is actually your respondents. So you have 76 respondents, and this is actually the relationship between IV1 and IV2 and your DV. So the relationship between your IV1 and your DV. If you want to look at the relationship between IV2 and DV, you have to look at this box here. So basically, the present correlation is 0.227, and this is the significant value of 0.049 of 76 respondents. And for IV3, 0.495, IV4 0.436, IV5 is going to be 0.237, IV6 is 0.192, and IV7 is 0.374. In order for you to know whether it is significant or not, whether there is a relationship or not, you have to look at the footnote here. So basically, if you have two asterisks, so it means correlation is significant at the 0.01 level, and in bracket two tilt test as what you have already chosen much earlier before you analyze just now. So here, another asterisk, one asterisk is indicating correlation is significant at the 0.05 level with two tilt tests. So you have to make sure your figure here has the asterisk or asterisk is either one or two, to know whether there's a relationship between whatever IV and DV. So practically we have the asterisk here. So it means there is a relationship between IV1 and DV. There is one asterisk, which is good, two asterisk, one asterisk, and if you can look at IV6, there is no asterisk at all. So what is the meaning of that? So it means there is no relationship between IV6 and DV. So I'm going to say it again. There is no relationship between IV6 and DV because there is no indication of relationship or significant level here because there is no one or two asterisk here. So if we look at IVER 7, we have got two asterisks indicating correlation is significant at the 0.01 level. So the most important thing is for you to look at the asterisk, and if there is no asterisk, it is indicating there's no relationship between IV6 and DV. I think that's all from me. So with that, Assalamualaikum and bye-bye.